We can see we've already got 3 leading stems, and we want to take them down about 2/3 of the way down the stem. We want the energy to go into the main plant and not into these little side branches. There's a nice tap shoot growing up from the base of the plant. We'll leave that, but we'll remove all these small weak little branchlets, and so all the energy, all the new growth that's coming this spring will go into the main stems. That's where a flower will be. That's where we want a nice bushy shrub to develop. It looks a bit dramatic, it looks a bit drastic, but actually that'll make a very nice plant, and in 2 or 3 months' time you wouldn't believe how bushy and fit and well that's going to look.